Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to my YouTube channel Understanding Islam. In today's video we will be covering our first lesson part 5, which is the last part of our first lesson of Quranic alphabets. Our Quranic alphabets will be completed today. Like every language starts with alphabets, same goes for the Quranic alphabets. Like English have 26 alphabet, so these are Quranic alphabets. We have our 4 previous lesson which we already learned, and today we will start from Noon to Ya, and our first lesson of Quranic alphabet will be finalized today. So let me revise the previous lessons for you first from start, which is from alif. Please repeat each and every alphabet after me. Alif, ba, ta, fa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, صاد ضاد طا ظا عين غين فا قاف كاف لام Meme. Let's start our today's lesson, which is our last topic of our first lesson, which starts from Noon. Noon. Please remember there is a dot inside the Noon. Noon. Little bit stretch it. Noon. Noon. Our next letter is Wow. Wow. If you read it like wow or wow, then these are wrong. You should read it like wow. Wow. Please repeat after me. Wow. Our next letter is ha. Please remember there is a difference between ha and ha. Ha should be read like ha. Don't give too much force to your throat. It is like ha. Ha. Our next letter is hamza. In start and the end there is the sound of h or the sound of ha. In start and the end of hamza. 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 Please repeat after me. Hamza. Our next letter is Ya. Please remember there are 2 dots below Ya. 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 Our next letter is also Ya, and please remember there are also 2 dots below Ya. 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 Please repeat after me. Yeah. So this is it for our today's lesson, and our first lesson of Quranic alphabets has been finished finally. So you have to learn and practice all these alphabets for about a week, and practice each day for about 2 or 3 hours to make them yourself perfect as much as you can, because these all alphabets will be needed in our next lesson, and these are the backbones of every upcoming lesson. So I hope you will practice as much as you can on these. So if you have any questions or any problems regarding our first lesson, you can ask us in comment, or you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is provided in the video's description. So I will see you in the next video. May Allah guide us all on right path. Wassalam.